What if we could rewrite life's blueprint?
What if we could rewrite life's blueprint?
This is the frontier of genetic engineering. And animals are no longer just products of nature. We are learning to manipulate the very code of existence. Now that we understand the foundation, let's explore creation. The goal: creating novel hybrid species. This isn't science fiction, it's emerging biotechnology. The techniques like Surai's PR offer unprecedented editing precision. The insertion of foreign genetic material drives novelty. Imagine animals engineered for specific, beneficial traits. But one application is enhancing disease resistance in livestock, or creating models for urgent human medical research. Hybridization means combining traits from vastly different species. So far, consider biofactories, animals producing vital pharmaceuticals. The efficiency of biological manufacturing is unmatched. Conservation also stands to gain significant new tools. Creating organisms better suited for rapidly changing climates. However, these powerful capabilities demand ethical scrutiny. On the creation of interspecies hybrids raises fundamental questions. What is the welfare of an organism designed outside nature? Where does the boundary between necessary innovation lie? Ecological risks are paramount concerns for every scientist. Unintended consequences can destabilize established ecosystems rapidly. Even minor genetic alterations can cascade unpredictably. This necessitates robust international governance frameworks. Defining acceptable risk becomes the central philosophical challenge. A leading researcher emphasizes caution over speed. And now that we understand the ethics, let's explore the future. But the next frontier involves synthetic biology integration. Animals could harvest energy with photosynthetic capabilities. Self-repairing systems could extend animal lifespans significantly. Cognitive enhancement is also on the horizon for certain species. Imagine highly specialized animals assisting in environmental cleanup. Their engineered resilience makes them ideal for remediation tasks. This blurs the lines between nature and deliberate design completely. Our protagonist, a fictional bioengineer, grapples with this reality. And their arc is moving from pure discovery to profound responsibility. The scale of potential change requires an evolution in human morality. We must decide which intrinsic animal values must be preserved. Every edited animal affects the wider biological web. But public acceptance hinges entirely on transparency and demonstrable benefit. But history shows us innovation always outpaces regulation. The debate is not stopping the science, but guiding its destination. The true test is our foresight, not our capability. If done correctly, hybrids could alleviate global suffering. But this demands absolute integrity from every lab involved. The fictional scientist protagonist embraces this new role now. They commit to integrating ethics into every stage of design. Simulation testing must account for long-term ecological feedback loops. Open dialogue with the public is non-negotiable for trust. The future involves engineered animals serving humanity responsibly. For each hybrid represents a calculated, deliberate step forward. The arc of the engineer is now one of guardianship. This controlled approach minimizes unforeseen evolutionary branching. Built-in genetic kill switches offer the ultimate safety measure. The convergence of biology and engineering defines our modern epoch. The power to hybridize is the power to redefine life itself. But understanding these frontiers is crucial for our collective future. We must choose the path that honors both creation and conservation. That the future of the animal kingdom rests on our ethical framework.